in this question we have to calculate the voltage across AB. As imagine you are standing at A position, you have to move to B. Okay, so let's mark it as C and D. So we need to calculate VAB. VAB would be equal to VAC, right? This is suppose A to C, then you need to mark C to B, VCB. So according to this, VAC would be how much? That is IAC into RAC, correct? And VCB is how much? That is ICB into RCB, correct? So RAC value we know that is 10 ohm, and RCB value also we know that is 2.5 ohm. But we don't know the value of ICB and IAC. Whenever there is a need of current, you need to apply KVL. Okay, you are moving from A to C, so your current should also move like this. It's a necessary condition. If you are moving in the opposite direction, then in that case you have to take negative sign. So it's better to avoid that. You are moving from A to C, so current would also move A to C. You are moving from C to B, so your current should also move from C to B. So accordingly, yeah, we'll mark first sign convention. Then for first equation, the equation would be minus 10 I1 minus 5 I1 minus I2 minus 20 I1 is equal to 0. Okay, so for second equation, minus 2.5 I2 minus 5 I2 and minus 5 of I2 minus I1 is equal to 0. So after solving these two equations, we'll get the value of I1 and I2. Okay, but they said that 1 ampere is distributed, right? So we can consider it and put down the values, then we'll get the value of VAB. Clear?